Hello, everyone. Thank you, Father, for another day. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. All right, this is just something really, really quick. Something that I really want to show y'all. I don't know if you all are familiar with this kit. This is a kit, and I've shown this to you before. This is from Hobby Lobby. It's $8.99. And this is a beautiful bead soup, okay? I call this bead soup. Whenever you see a bunch of beads in there, okay? Now, some of these beads don't belong in there. Like these right here don't belong in there. These didn't come with this kit. But stuff like this and this, that did, okay? Anything that you see like this, all that came with the kit. What I want to say is when you go down to the bottom of this stash, okay? When you go down to the bottom, you're going to see all of this. You see all of those goodies in there. Those are the small beads. What can you do with those small beads? You can pretty much do anything you choose to do with those small beads. And I'm going to show you something that I have been working on, that I've created. Now, I have a project that I am currently working on right now. And that project is going to take quite a few of the next ones that I'm getting ready to show you. Now, with those small beads, you see, I took it and I just put it on here and did something like they call it bead soup, where you have a variety of many different beads. But I really love these beads because they're small, and you can make and create a lot of different charms. So these are the charms that I created. And they are pretty much like one size. But as you can see, nothing that I have here, they don't go together at all. Everything is doing its own thing. Look at that. Now, the thing about this stash is it's kind of hard to find the same exact bead, the same size, because they're so small. You may be able to find something that has the same color, but the size of them and the shape may be a little bit irregular. I'll say that. But I really love it. And what I did with this is I took some copper wire. I started down the bottom. I wire wrapped it, pulled it as close as I could, and this is what I came up with. Now, I am going to be using these on my next project. I have a project that I'm working on right now, and I'm going to be using these for that project. But I just wanted to come to show you, to tell you, do not pass up on anything out of this bead mix, because you can really make some really, no, this wasn't with it either. But when you go down the bottom, there are really, really small beads down here. And you can even make some chokers, bracelets, earrings, necklaces, toe rings, any kind of rings that you choose to, charms, whatever your little heart desire. But I just wanted to show you what you can also do with those beads. Now, everything that you see here came from this stash right here. I have some here because I'm still working, and I did incorporate some copper wire. I've been using a lot of copper wire lately for the things that I've been making and creating. So I just wanted to come and share this. I want to say thank y'all so much for taking out the time to watch, listen, and write a comment. And don't forget to like and share and thumbs up and all that good stuff. So y'all have a wonderful and amazing day. And until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.